Hello and welcome to this Self-Care Saturday meditation session. Today, we'll journey through a deeply nourishing Yoga Nidra practice, focusing on revitalizing both your body and soul. This is your time to pause, to rest, and to reconnect with the inner wellspring of peace and vitality within you. Allow yourself to fully immerse in this guided practice, releasing any tension and embracing a sense of complete relaxation and self-care. Begin by finding a comfortable position, lying down on your back, arms gently resting by your sides, palms facing upwards. Close your eyes softly and take a deep breath in, letting your belly rise, and then exhale slowly, feeling your body sink into the surface beneath you. Allow each breath to become a little deeper, a little slower. Let go of the day, the week, any worries, and grant yourself the permission to simply be here in this moment. As you continue to breathe, notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest, the soothing rhythm of your breath, guiding you deeper into relaxation. With each exhale, release any lingering tension in your body, inviting a sense of peace to wash over you. This is your sacred time for self-care, to nourish and rejuvenate from the inside out. And as you continue to relax, bring your awareness to the sensation of your body resting on the ground. Feel the weight of your limbs, the gentle pressure of your back against the surface, and the soft touch of your clothes on your skin. Notice the warmth and comfort that surrounds you, holding you in a safe and nurturing embrace. In this space, you're free from all expectations, free from all demands. You're simply here in the present, a witness to your own being. Now take a deep breath in. As you exhale, imagine a soft wave of relaxation flowing down from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Feel this wave gently releasing any tightness, any tension, dissolving it all away. With each breath, let this wave flow through you, nourishing every cell, every muscle, every bone. Picture this wave as a warm, golden light, rich with the energy of renewal and healing. Now shift your attention to your feet. Feel the warmth and gentle tingle as this golden light flows through your toes, your arches, your heels, and your ankles. With each breath, this light moves upwards, filling your calves, soothing your knees, and relaxing your thighs. As the light moves, it nourishes and rejuvenates, replenishing every part of your lower body with a deep sense of comfort and care. Now bring your awareness to your hips, your pelvis, and your lower abdomen. Allow the golden light to flow through these areas, releasing any stagnant energy, any blockages. Feel the light expand and grow, creating space for healing, for nourishment. Let it fill your belly, rising up into your chest, spreading warmth through your heart. With each breath, feel your heart expand, radiating love and compassion throughout your entire being. And as the light moves up, it flows through your shoulders, down your arms and into your hands and fingers. Feel the gentle pulsation of life, the energy that sustains you coursing through your limbs. Allow this light to soften any tightness in your shoulders, to ease any tension in your neck, to release any burdens you may be carrying. Let the golden light flow upwards, filling your throat, your jaw, and your face. Feel it soothing the muscles around your eyes, your forehead, your scalp. You're now fully enveloped in this nourishing golden light. It surrounds you, it fills you, it flows through you. This is your life force, your inner radiance, a wellspring of vitality that resides within you. In this moment, know that you are whole, you are complete, just as you are. There's nothing you need to do, nothing you need to change. Simply be here, breathing, resting, and receiving the nourishment of this light. Take a few moments to silently repeat to yourself, I am nourished. I am whole. I am at peace. Let these words resonate deeply within you, anchoring you in a profound sense of self-care and self-love. Allow them to to ripple through your consciousness, settling into the deepest layers of your being. And when you feel ready, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your body. Take a long, slow, deep breath in. As you exhale, wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently roll your head from side to side. Take another deep breath in. As you exhale, sigh it out, letting go of anything that no longer serves you. And know that you can carry this sense of nourishment and peace with you as you move through the rest of your day, as a gift to yourself, as a reminder of your inner light. And as we begin to close this meditation, take a moment to express gratitude for this time of self-care and nourishment. Thank yourself for showing up, for taking this time to nurture your body and soul. Know that by investing in yourself, you're better able to show up for the world around you. Take one final deep breath in, feeling the fullness of life within you, and exhale, releasing any last bits of tension. Slowly, gently, when you're ready, begin to open your eyes, bringing this sense of peace and nourishment back into your day. Thank you for joining this Self-Care Saturday meditation session. May the peace and care that you've cultivated today continue to support you for the rest of the week. Remember, taking time for yourself is not a luxury, but a necessity. You are worthy of this care, this rest, and this rejuvenation. And we hope to see you again soon. And so until next time, take care of yourself and be well.